Thanks for joining me today, and welcome to this Teamwork use case demonstration. This video is intended to provide an understanding of common use cases tackled by our clients, the challenges they seek to address, potential KPIs, as well as an overview of the use case in action. Today, we will cover the use case of deliver and assess role-specific training and onboarding. This use case tackles common challenges faced by organizations, such as growing skills gap, retiring workforce, ineffective knowledge sharing, or transfer and onboarding more effectively and quickly, which are all important to maintain the best practices across all shifts in a plant or a company. Potential performance improvements provided through the utilization of teamwork for delivering and assessing role-specific training and onboarding include a decrease in onboarding time, improvement in training compliance, and improvement in training completion percentage. For this use case demo, we will be looking at an example utilizing teamwork to deliver the onboarding program and production start for a new employee. Our demonstration begins with a new operator, Emma. In the next few days, she will not only have to familiarize herself with the company culture, safety regulations and products, quality standards as well, but she also has to learn her new role on line 7 while shadowing a new colleague. So Emma starts her first shift, logs into Teamwork. Upon logging in, she will click on her profile to access all the skills that are relevant for her job. Here she can see all onboarding skills that everyone in the company needs to be trained on, and also the skills on line 7 where she is working. This is an important distinction because Teamwork ensures that every user is assigned the relevant skills for his job based on the work location and title. Now, Emma can click on a skill and begin her onboarding process. For this example, we will use the Health and Safety Lockout Tagout training program. Upon entering the skill, Emma is able to follow up multi-step training program. And in Teamwork, you can exploit several opportunities to improve your employees' training experience and effectiveness by leveraging text, images, videos, documents, work instructions, troubleshooting guides, external links, assessments, and exams. Quite a list. Emma is able to follow the step-by-step training program on her iPad, checking off each step as she works her way through the skill. Those checks are simple, user-friendly visual aid. That way, if she leaves before completing the skills, she can always come back later and continue from where she left off. Finally, when Emma is over with the skill, she can request to her team leader an endorsement for the skill and move on to the next training program. Once her onboarding is completed, Emma can now begin her job training on line 7. While she is shadowing her colleague, she also can access her training on demand at the point of need right next to the machines. She then clicks on the skill, Production Start, to learn about how to operate the line at the start of her shift. Her company created videos that she will listen to and observe completely before confirming she understands it by signing electronically with the button marked Watched. By doing so, Teamwork automatically checked off the step in the skill for her. Once Emma is done with reviewing all the steps, she will have to complete the exam. In Teamwork, exams can be added to skills and are an effective way to validate an employee's understanding. Exams can include true or false, single choice, and multiple choice questions. Images and videos can also be leveraged when needed to give more context to a question or an answer. At the end of the exam, Teamwork will calculate Emma's score based on the pass mark defined by the exam's creator. Here, Emma's first try was a success, and Teamwork automatically checked off the step on the skill for her and showed her score, 100%. That way, her team leader will easily be aware if Emma passed or failed the exam. If Emma passed, he will endorse her. We now turn to Samuel Brown, the team leader of Emma. Samuel receives a notification that Emma has completed her skill, and she has requested an endorsement. Samuel was able to click on the notification or navigate to his team's skill matrix where he can see all his team members at one time. On the skill matrix, whoever has requested endorsements has a green check symbol. He can also filter his view to help give him just the view of each user's need to be endorsed. Once Samuel clicks on Emma's skill, he can check her completion of the steps in the skill and her exam results. Finally, Samuel was satisfied with the results and endorses Emma based on her level of achievement. Emma did well on her first week, and everything's going well. 100% on her first exam was fine, and Samuel checked some other folks while he's at it. And through this use case, we have seen how an organization can increase the efficiency of their training by improving the training experience of employees with digital content, giving employees access to their training at the point of need, and by giving employees the ownership over their own training progress. Thank you for joining me today, and have a great day. Bye.